120 years ago, two men from the western side of Switzerland came here. They bought this building and started to produce mechanical watches. At that time, everybody had mechanical watches. There was no quartz watch, no digital watch. So Oris became very successful in the first couple of years. We had big improvement of the building. Also, they had other subsidiaries here in the area. And then after the Second World War, Oris was one of the 10th biggest watch companies in the world. For example, here in New York, came up with billion oysters. They do oyster reforestation. Then we had various animals that we supported, the payun in Thailand. We try to raise awareness for sustainability as a topic. We've partnered up with them. They are a startup from Hamburg, Germany, and they collect these nets from the sea, and they contact the fishermen to give them the old nets. We used to have a much bigger box, much heavier box.
因为现在就是首先从这个航海的这种就是说，你包括我们看到这个表，搜集了很多的材料，然后也是一个是从环保啊，包括可持续的，就是材料的运用。因为全球变化嘛，因为会产生气候的突变，因为未来2060年。 北冰洋将会成为一个夏天没有冰的世界。
So, Mr. Zhai, we really saw the work you do with your sailing endeavors, with your strong mission for sustainability. And we as Oris, we are also driven by the sustainability, by change for the better. That's why we want to award you this watch.